Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure file server in Windows Server 2022. A file server resource manager is a role service in a Windows Server that enables you to manage and classify data stored on a file server. You can use automatically classify files, perform tasks based on this classifications, set quotas on folders, and create reports monitoring storage usage in Windows Server. To do that, now what we can do on the server manager, configure the basic settings of the server. First of all, I'm going to change the computer name and IP address. I'm gonna assign the IP address 192.168.216.144 and default gateway 216.2. After the restart, I'm going to install Active Directory domain services and then expand file and storage services and select file server and second file server resource manager, add features and click on next and next again, and select restart the destination server automatically if required. The installation progress is done, so I'm gonna select promote this server to a domain controller and I'm going to create a new forest and the domain name is techglobe.local and click on next and enter the recovery password. So once it is done, the system will automatically restart. After the restart, I'm going to configure DNS. Assign the preferred DNS server 192.168.216.144 is the same server IP address. Click on OK. And open Server Manager again. On the Server Manager, click on Tools and select DNS and right click on Reverse Lookup Zone, select New Zone and click on Next and select Primary Zone, click on Next and select second option to all DNS server running on domain controller in this domain, click on Next and IPv4 Reverse Lookup Zone, click on Next and here I'm gonna type 3 octet of this Windows Server IP. Then click on Next. Allow only secure dynamic updates. Then click on Next and finish. On the Server Manager, click on File and Storage Services and select Shares. Create a share folder in the C drive. Select New Share and SMB Share Quick. Click on Next and Next. And this is the share folder path. and click on next and select first option, enable access. Click on next and next again and create. Now the share was successfully created. Click on close. So once it is done, I'm going back to tools and select Active Directory users and computers to create a users and group. Alright, domain name, I'm going to right click and select new and create organizational unit. Then click on OK. Create a new users and group. Then create a group, marketing and accounts. And I'm going to add 2 users in accounts group. And click on apply, then OK. Open run and type / computer name / office data. And this is our share folder, and I'm going to create a new 2 folder. Accounts and marketing. Then select accounts folder and go to properties and select security, and I'm going to remove the everyone access to the accounts. Select user and click on advanced and disable inheritance and convert. Then click on apply, then OK. Then select edit and remove users. Then click on add and type accounts. Then click on OK. Then select modify, then apply, then OK. And select marketing folder, go to properties and go to security and select advanced and disable inheritance and convert inherited. Apply, then OK, and go to edit and remove users. Then click on add and type here marketing. Then check names, click on OK and click on modify, apply, then OK. So once it is done, on the server manager, click on tools and select group policy management and expand the domain name. Create a employees details GPO and right click and create a GPO, and the GPO name is map drive. Then right click on the map drive GPO, select edit and enter the user configuration, expand preferences and expand Windows settings and select drive map. Right click, select new and map drive In location, specify the share folder path accounts. Then click on reconnect and select the drive letter. Then select show this drive. On the right side, show all drives and click on apply, then OK. Now as you can see, map drive is created for account user. After creating map drive, we need to update the group policy. Once the group policy has been updated, I'm going back to the client computer. And this is our Windows 10 client computer. I'm going to join with the domain. And preferred DNS server is our domain controller IP address. I'm gonna enter techglobe.local is our domain name to join the client computer. So now after the restart, I'm going to sign in with the Scalvin user. And here you can see, while clicking File Explorer, click on this PC. Successfully created the Scalvin user map drive. Only the account user can access this map drive. So we have removed the permission to access everyone. The map drive storage capacity around 60 GB. So the Scalvin user can upload multimedia files and executed files he can upload on the drive. In this case, I'm going to control the Scalvin user cannot upload these kind of files from the server. I'm going back to the Windows server, and on the server manager, click on Tools and click on File Manager, Resource Manager. On the File Server Resource Manager, we can filter the specified files the user can upload in the drive. So there are several limit templates is available here. If you want, you can create custom limit templates as per the file size. So in this case, I'm not going to create any additional limit templates. I'm going to select 2 GB limit. Okay. Right click on 2 GB limit, create a quota from template and browse, expand the C drive, and this is our folder which we have created. Select account, then click on OK and create. Here you can see 2 GB limit created. So while clicking file screen templates, you can block executed files and video and audio. What we specify the files only the user can upload in the drive. Then select block audio and video files. right click and create file screen from templates and click on browse and expand the C drive and select share folder and then click on accounts and click on OK. And here you can see block audio and video files and click on create, then click on file screens. Here you can see the source templates block audio and video files is already prevent the user cannot upload these kind of files. Edit file screen properties. On screening type, active screening do not allow user to save unauthorized files. So I'm gonna specify the audio and video files, the executable files, okay. Then, and if you want any other files, you can select here. All right. Then I'm going to report options and select generate reports. And here you can select quota usage. Then click on OK. And we have set the quota templates 2 GB. And file screen templates prevent multimedia files. Right click on select properties on the drive, and now here you can see only 2 GB limit Scalvin user can upload in the drive. And now we can check whether the user can upload the executed files. Okay, so I'm gonna open accounts folder, and here you can see I have a software. Now I'm gonna copy this software to the accounts folder, and now here you can see error message. The user cannot upload any kind of multimedia or executable files in the share folder. And I'm going back to server and click on storage report management, and here I'm gonna select storage reports management and schedule a new report task and type the report name as you like, and default all files is selected. Whatever the files you needed you can select and get the reports. Then go to scope, and here I'm gonna select user files, then click on schedule. You can assign the date and time. The system automatically generate the weekly report every Monday. Click on add and select C drive, and this is our share folder. Just click on OK. Below there are different types of report format is there. In my case I select HTML, then click on OK. Alright, now the file is ready. Let me right click and run report task now, and then click on the second option, wait for reports, and click on OK. Now generating storage reports. The report is ready. I'm gonna open this, and now this is the complete report. Alright, our client computer uses Scalvin usage report. Okay, so these are the way we can manage our user. So then after this, let me open the server manager again and click on tools and go to DNS and select server and click on properties and go to forwarders and click on edit. So here I'm gonna type the IP address of Google so the client can access through the internet. Then click on OK. These are the settings need to configure for the file server. And dear all viewers, if you like this video, please do comments in my channel, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.